So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Capis and Moon Venus rising from 5th till the 11th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For Ho'oponopono masterclass and self-love course, links are given below in the description box. So let's start, Cappies. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. Knight of Swords. Okay, it's like running away from emotions, from things, from situations as far as they can in this particular deck. In another Rider-Waite deck, Knight of Swords is like rushing towards something or someone, and with a cutthroat kind of energy of, okay, I'll show you something. Okay, in this particular deck, it's like the energy of running away from emotions, from accountability. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords here. We have the 10 of Swords, the Hanged Man, and the 7 of Swords. This person did something really horribly wrong with you in this situation. 10 of Swords, Hanged Man, 7 of Swords. This person is feeling like they can't stay in this stuck energy forever, and they got to know something about you, and or they did something really wrong with you. And instead of taking the accountability, instead of talking to you about it, they feel like running away from the truth, from the situation, from the accountability, and they're like, nope, I'm not saying anything, I'm not doing anything, I did whatever I did, and I'm going bye-bye. Okay. 7 of Swords is a classic card of deception, cheating, lying, manipulation. And instead of trying to, be sorry or regret or in that kind of energy, they feel like, okay, let me run away. I don't want to talk to Capricorn about it. Nah. And if you are the one who did something really wrong here, this person is feeling like they don't want to listen to you at all. No, not interested. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Ace of Swords. You got the ultimate clarity and the truth about the situation. You got the mental clarity about it. You're 1000% sure about something in this situation. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords here, honey. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, and the Chariot. You are no longer confused or stuck on this particular person or energy. Even if you are going back and forth sometimes, you are choosing to move on. You are feeling like you should deeply heal yourself, detach yourself from the situation completely, and keep moving ahead in your life no matter what. Okay, you feel like you should not get yourself stuck in this pattern, stuck in this energy forever, and you feel like you should just keep moving ahead in your life because enough is enough. You got the clarity. You got the answer. Okay. Gotcha. And you're very determined. You're very determined in your energies to never to look back. And you feel like, okay, this is the right time for me to move on and, just do my own thing. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? 6 of Wands. Their intention here is to somehow be successful and victorious. Wow. Let me clarify this before I say anything more about the situation. What's happening, honey? A lot of cards are falling down today. Let's see. Let's clarify the 6 of Wands as their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey. We have the 9 of Cups and the Death card and the Queen of Wands. Okay. It's like they don't want to deal with this situation anymore, at least for the time being. They don't want to see this situation for what it is. They want to work on themselves. They want to be magnetic. They want to work on their individual growth and success. They want to be successful and victorious in their individual life right now. So instead of taking accountability and sorting it out with you, they want to work on their individual self and be successful in their life. They're like, Capricorn, who? I don't know. I just want to be my own person. I just want to work on myself. I just want to be so magnetic that I'm going to achieve whatever I want to achieve in my life. A little bit of arrogance is there. Little bit. Let's see, what do you want from this particular situation or person or whatever is happening? What are your intentions in this situation, honey? World card. You just want to have a completion of a cycle. You still feel the unfinished business between you and them, and you just want to finish the unfinished business for good this time. Okay. Let's clarify the world here, honey. We have the Ace of Cups and the Six of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Oh, you still love this person, don't you? Wow. You want to give this person another shot. You want to put an end to the cycle that whatever happened, happened. But you still love this person with all of your heart and soul. You still care for them a lot. You want to give this situation another shot. If they are ready to come forward towards you with the kind of love that you have for them, you definitely want to put an end to this painful cycle and give this situation another shot. This is your heart's desire. I'm not saying you're going to do that, or it's like mandatory that you are going to do that. We are talking about soul level intentions. We're not talking about the human mind level intentions here. And from a soul level, you still love this person, you still care for them, you want to have a reconciliation, and you want to give this a shot with all of your heart and soul. By ending the chapter, the last chapter, by finishing the unfinished business that you guys are having. If they are ready to put in the effort and energy like you are, that's the deal. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 11th of May, Cappies. Nine of Wands, guards up, not opening up, not doing anything or saying anything because you're too hurt to do or say anything here. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands here, honey. We have the Two of Wands, the Five of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. You are continuously waiting for the time when you will be able to get out of this chaos and conflict, and when you will be able to have a very stable, mature, and grounded kind of energy, so that you can either move on or completely connect with this person on a deeper level. Basically, your guards are up because you're hurt, and you're waiting for the time when you will be able to come out of this hurt and painful energy, so that you can have a very stable, mature, and grounded kind of energy to work with. It's either dissolving the connection completely and or evolving with the connection and making it work out somehow. Okay, so you are still in the healing journey, and it's going to take time, and you know it, so you are taking it really very, very slow. That's really good. You're not rushing, you're not in this. It's like continuation to the energy that you were feeling the previous week, and it's kind of a progress, slow progress, little bit of progress, but progress, and it's commendable. I just really, really like it, the way you're handling it. Very good. For you, the guidance is the star also. So it's like this healing is going to take you to the places, to the situations, to the things that you might have never experienced in this lifetime till this point. The deeper meaning of this healing is to connect with your inner true self and understand yourself better, understand your energies better, like what you should do in order to achieve the kind of peace and happiness that you really, really want in your life for yourself. Instead of expecting it from others, instead of relying on other people, other energies to make you happy or to heal you, what you can do for yourself in order to achieve the kind of peace that you want, maybe from other people, other situations, that you have to learn about yourself, that you have to work on with yourself and keep going ahead. Even if it is a slow progress, it's still a progress. And I really, really want you guys to go on this path alone right now, because the more you are going to stay with yourself, the more you are going to heal deeply, the more it's going to be easier for you to reconnect with your own self and be at peace with yourself, and then maybe connect with the healed version of them, maybe if you want them again, and or maybe you will be able to outgrow them at some point of time. But keep on going on your healing path. You're doing it correct. So proud of you, Capricorn. Yeah, so proud of you. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.